Let's be honest, becoming a millionaire doesn't require winning the lottery or launching the next big startup. What truly matters isn't luck, but building the right habits that consistently move you toward wealth. Success starts with 3 foundations: your mindset, your discipline, and the small daily actions you take. Master 5 powerful habits, and you can reach millionaire status in just 5 years, no matter where you're starting today. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom through practical habit formation. Want to know the 5 habits that can make you a millionaire in just 5 years through discipline and consistency? Here's the truth. Millionaires don't look rich. They become rich quietly through deliberate actions. The first habit is simple. Earn more than you spend. Because if spending exceeds earning, you'll always be broke. Living below your means lets you save money as capital, invest regularly regardless of market conditions, and overcome fear to take smart risks. Poor people wait for the perfect time to invest, while rich people create opportunities through action. The second habit treats time as currency, managing it with the same care you'd give your money. Millionaires understand that time equals money. Both resources must be invested wisely to generate returns. They delegate tasks, automate processes, and focus their activities to maximize high-value work and earnings. Ask yourself, is what I'm doing right now making me money or wasting my potential? The third habit is continuous learning, because millionaires prioritize constant education as their pathway to growth. They practice obsessive learning through reading books for deep knowledge, listening to podcasts for convenient insights, and taking courses for structured skills. While average people scroll social media wasting time, millionaires scroll through knowledge-consuming educational content. Growing your mind comes first, and growing your money follows naturally from that mental development. Ask yourself daily, what did I learn today that brings me closer to financial freedom? The fourth habit is building multiple income streams instead of depending on just one source. The average millionaire maintains 7 income streams to ensure financial security and accelerated wealth. Income diversity includes your main income from work or business, investments in assets, side hustles for extra earnings, and dividends from stocks. Add rentals from property, royalties from intellectual property, and digital income from online ventures to complete your protection. These money systems generate passive income, provide financial security through diversification, and create wealth growth through compounding. The fifth habit recognizes that your circle directly influences your financial trajectory and success potential. Complaining friends keep you stuck in negativity, while a goal-focused circle propels you toward business thinking and automatic elevation. An inspiring circle energizes and motivates your growth, while a draining circle depletes your energy and maintains mediocrity. If you can't find that circle, create it yourself and take control of your environment. Here's a bonus habit that addresses the dangerous tendency to postpone action and delay your wealth journey. Stop someday thinking. Eliminate procrastination and the false promise that you'll start later. Start small today, stay consistent with daily actions, commit these habits permanently, and you'll earn more while becoming more. Remember, success is never owned, it's rented, and the rent is due every single day. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon for weekly money and mindset lessons. Coming up next, we have an exciting topic that builds on what you've learned today. We'll explore 10 money rules rich people never break, and you shouldn't either. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your money with Money Mastery.